How to fix Spotify randomly pausing. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back. Click on first stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.